Howdy, Possum Patty here, and New Craft Day reached out to me to do an unboxing and product review. So come on along. And the first thing, because it's not wrapped up, let me show you. I thought these were going to be super fun. Look at these little tools for painting. Look at this. Make all kinds of texture. Oh my goodness. Swirl. Flowers. Like that. Look at that. And I have no idea what this one would look like. But we're going to play with these because you know I love my messing. But these look super fun. Look at these things. Oh my goodness. So I will link all the products below and give you a coupon for not 5 but 10% off if you go check out their products. So I'm just picking out the little center thing that didn't come out. That's all I'm doing. I'm sorry. I get fussy. I know. Look at this. I have no idea what that's going to look like. Look at these. So fun. I know I am just a big kid. A big kid. That's okay. That is all right. I promised Peter Pan I would never grow up. Now wait till you see these. That part was for fun. And these I have an idea for. Those I'm going to experiment with. Now their prices are really good. The products come from China, but they really don't take that long to get here. And as you can see, there is a canvas and a whole set of paints with numbers on them. You're getting an idea what I got here. A set of brushes. I have a lot of brushes if I want to use other brushes. And I think these are either oil or acrylic. Now I forgot. Okay, I had to look it up, and I'm sorry about that. But the ones that I chose were both acrylic painting. So this is a whole set of acrylic paints. And this is a real canvas. Very nice. You see it's been gessoed on this side. And yes, this is a paint by number. But this is a gorgeous tree. I can put the picture right here, right now. This is a gorgeous tree of life. Love it, love it. And comes rolled up with a styrofoam so it doesn't get wrinkled. And you can see that it is numbered. Should I hold it down here? There we go. That's better. Not too bad, not too bad. Some of them are a little small, but the numbers are all very clear. And it's even like not all white, so that kind of helps you when you're painting to see where you should be going. I like this. I didn't know it was going to look like this, really. I thought it was going to be all white with numbers. But this is very helpful. Yes. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is a very large tree. And what I was thinking of, I don't want to fold it, but this is my idea. And it is made out of beautiful canvas. And I thought if I cut it in half, don't get upset now, but I'm going to cut it in half. Look at this. Probably trim around there or maybe just sew it. And make a journal out of it. Look at that. So if I make a journal out of this, let me use my Dolores ruler. It is going to be like 7.5 by about 7.5, which is perfect. 7.5 by 7.5. Or I could make it a little smaller. I can make it like a 7 by 7 square would be nice. And then I would have the inside and the outside of the journal all hand painted. And I'll probably put in like a piece of supporting cardboard in here, or maybe something like a bubble envelope, or some kind of batting or something, foam or something. And I just think that this is going to be a beautiful journal cover, all hand painted. And that was my idea. You know, they reached out to me and I'm like, nah, I really don't do a lot of, you know, embroidery. I don't do diamond dots. But they had these paint by numbers, and I got the idea that I can make a beautiful journal cover. Look at this. And I could cut this and flip this around so it's the right side up. And then just show, you know, cut it to the size I want and sew around the edges after I put something in the middle. I'm going to figure it out. This is going to be a really nice winter project to sit down and paint this. This is going to be gorgeous. Let me put that picture here again because it's just gorgeous. Put that picture right here. Okay, let me roll this back up for now. Well, I'm glad those are acrylic paints, although I do have some Turpenoid if they were oil. You know, that's the one thing I didn't get into because I was all into acrylic paints and pastels and, you know, Neocolor crayons. I was doing it all like for mixed media. And somebody wanted to, oh wait, is there something in there? Do some, oh, you know what? Aha, the picture's in the bottom of the bag. I thought they said they included it. But I'm going to fold that, and I fold it like that. See, and that's going to be my journal cover. That's going to be my journal cover. And that's going to be inside journal, and that's going to be the back of the cover. And it's going to be gorgeous. It's going to be gorgeous. I love this Tree of Life. Okay, I thought they were supposed to be a picture. They give you directions. Okay, so I'm going to put this in here so it doesn't get lost, but that is it. Love it, love it. So this will be a winter project for sure. Look at all the colors they give you. Look at that, gorgeous. I love the colors in this painting too. The turquoise and the blues, the corals and the oranges and the browns and the olive greens. All right, enough of that, Paws and Patty. Keep moving. And let's take a look at the other one. All right, let me get this one open. Oh, the brushes are really tiny, but you need tiny brushes for those little spaces. That's my bird clock. Oop, and that one, the picture went right out on the floor. Oh, wait till you see this one. Look at that. I love it. Look, 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 look. Look, 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 look. And I could put another picture here while I open this up. Of course, you got your brushes and your hardware. They do not send the frames. They send the canvas. So if you want this framed, you have to tack it down yourself. So obviously, this is not going to be a journal cover because it is huge. But I love it. I love it. And again, this has a little bit of color there to help you when you're painting. I love that. Oh, that is one big rabbit. I just love this rabbit. I was born in the year of the rabbit, and he just spoke to me and said, buy me, buy me, buy me. Look at this. Look at those ears. Oh my gosh. This one I'll have to paint, or you could put it on a frame to stretch it. You know what, maybe I'll have Mr. Possum make a little wooden frame, and I'll stretch this on the frame before I start, because this one is going to hang on the wall. So I will have him go on YouTube and figure that out for me, because Mr. Possum can be quite crafty. He likes to make things, especially in the winter time. And let's see what we got in here. Here's the paints. A lot of white on this one. I like these colors though. Kind of like autumn colors. Beautiful, beautiful. So if you go to the links, you can see all the descriptions about the sizes and all that. And they have, they have a selection of so many. So many. And different styles too. You know, classical, modern, whatever, fun. So that is my haul. Canvases are beautiful, so let's see how I do with the paintings, because I've never, you know, I'm not going to say, no, I can't say that. I've never did a paint by number. Of course, I used to do those all the time when I was a kid. And I'm certainly going to feel like a kid playing with these little paint tools. So thanks for coming along today for this review. And if you'd like to check out these products and all the products that New Day Craft has, just follow the links below, and don't forget that 10% off coupon. Bye-bye.